Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the home button on your Vizio Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Vizio Smart TV and you're wondering how to use the home button. How do you actually go ahead and use the home button for different shortcuts? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But essentially, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and grab your Vizio Smart TV remote, and the home button on your Vizio Smart TV remote is going to be this button right here. So this is actually the Vizio logo. So once you click this button, that is going to take you to the Vizio Home TV kind of home page. And so what that essentially looks like is that if we go ahead and turn on my TV and then we go ahead and click on the home button, once we click on that home button, it's going to take us to the default page of your Vizio Smart TV. The default page of the Vizio Smart TV is essentially going to show like a bunch of different apps. It's going to show a bunch of different free channels, etc. So right now it's a bit slow just because I just connected my TV, but you can see that right now it's loading. It's going to take a couple seconds, but just know that once you click on this home button here, it is going to take you to the home page of your Vizio Smart TV. So if we give it a couple seconds, it should start to load, and there you have it. We've now gone ahead and loaded the Vizio homepage of my Smart TV. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.